You can see how to set up domain in cPanel in this video. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to sign into cPanel with cPanel username and password, which brings to cPanel settings page. In cPanel settings page, you need to click Domains option under Domains section. And here in Domains page, you will see all the domains added in your cPanel account. Select the domain you want to delete and click the Manage button corresponding to the domain. And finally, click the Remove Domain button. And again, confirm the domain removal button. And done, deleting the domain in cPanel. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.